Hello fellow teachers, this is a screencast of how to make an assignment with a YouTube link and a document that copies to each of your individual students to respond to the video. So we're going to start from our desktop and first open our browser. We're going to go to classroom.google.com. And open the class we want to edit. From here we'll go to classwork. We're going to create an assignment. Our assignment is for students to watch a YouTube video explaining the engineering design process and answer questions in a Google Doc. I've already created the Google Doc, so you'll see me attach it to this assignment. We're going to call this Engineering Design Video Response. And I've already had this text because this text is also in the Google Doc they'll be replying to after watching the YouTube video. The engineering design process, a taco party, answer the following questions. Instead of saying answer the following questions, I'll say answer the questions in the attached Google document. Remember to turn in your work when you are done. We'll make this a 10-point assignment. We'll set a due date of August 15th. Engineering Design Taco Party video. It's right here. Our attached Google document is right here. Understanding engineering design, and we're going to add that. Now, as I mentioned earlier, we want this to go to each student to make a copy so each student can answer their own questions, they can edit it, and they don't see the answers of other students. So make a copy for each student. We are going to assign this, but I don't need to assign it right away, so I'll schedule an assignment. So students will have about a week to do it. It was due on the 19th of August, the 15th of August, so I'll give them a week as of the 8th schedule. I'll double check my due date. I do want this to go under a topic. So August 15th, it is scheduled for the 8th. And we'll go under the topic energy and solar cars. So with a little back and forth, this documents there. We also have the video for them to watch. It'll pop up on the 8th, and they'll have until the 15th to address the Google document, replying to the video, responding to that video.